welcome back. Happy weekend. I hope you all are enjoying the weekend. Welcome. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. And if you're returning, thank you so much. You guys know I do love you all and appreciate your support. So, as you can see from the title down below, today we have the September 2019 Beauteque Monthly. And that is because they usually ship out at the very end of the month. So even though it's the first few days of October, I'm just now getting this box. So this is a K-Beauty box for those of you that do not know. And it usually includes about 5 or 6 full-size products. And there's usually a theme. I will put a link down below as well as pricing, so if you'd like to check them out, you certainly can. But let's get in here and see what we got for September 2019. So, cut it open. All right, so there is always a card on top, and then this is what we see when we open it. There is a sticker. It's got a little wine glass and it says wine and cheese. You're invited. You see that right there? All right. And the theme is Girls Night In. Awesome. So this is the Beauty Box by Beauteque Monthly, September 2019. All right. Hello, beautiful. Grab your popcorn, movie, and a BFF and get ready for girls' night all month long. After a hectic summer, it's important to remember to unwind and relax. So this September will be all about making sure that you and your bestie have the perfect self-care night. You bring the cheese and wine and we'll provide the skincare and sheet mask. The Beauteque Monthly team. That's awesome. Even though it's October. But that's okay. So then it has all of the products here. And it does tell us our pricing, so I do like that. So let's just get in here and see what we got for a girls' night in. All right, so when I peel back the tissue paper, this is what I see. So we do have a good amount of products in here. All right, so the first thing I see here is from Yada, and I have had sheet mask from this brand before, and I do like it. This is the Green Tea Pure Cleansing Balm Makeup Remover. This is for sensitive skin. So there you can see that. This is $23 Green Tea Cleansing Balm. Formulated with green tea and olive fruit oil, this cleansing balm will help you lock in moisture and protect sensitive skin while cleansing away your makeup. Green tea helps reduce signs of aging, while olive fruit oil helps maintain your skin's moisture barrier without clogging your pores. So that is awesome. I think this is going to be very similar to the Green Clean from Pharmacy Beauty. So that's cool. All right. So we've got a cleansing balm to take our makeup off. And then we have, what is this? Quick Dry Hair Mist in Cherry Blossom. Let's smell Cherry Blossom. Oh, that smells good. Cherry Blossom is one of my favorite scents. Oh, and I got some on my hand. Or is it leaking now, or did I just have it run down? Now it's all over the bottle. Oh, it does smell really good. Even more so when you have it leak and you get it all over your hands. Okay. This is $8. This quick dry hair mist is the perfect solution if you are busy and need to reduce your drying time. All you have to do is spray your hair after your shower and your wet hair will quickly dry up. In addition, this mist also has a light cherry blossom scent to it. Awesome. So spray the mist on wet hair and then blow dry your hair. This will reduce your drying time by half. If that's the case, I need like 8 more of these. All right, so then we have from Hyaluronic, I don't know if I'm saying the brand correctly, Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Sleeping Pack. Whitening and anti-wrinkle. Experience a magic that skin moisturizes deep sleep. Experience a magic that skin moisturizes during sleep. This is $18. Says this sleeping pack contains hyaluronic acid and eucalyptus oil, which highly moisturize your skin and delivers the ultimate hydration and nutrients. It also contains camellia flower extract and honey extract, which will nourish your skin while you are wearing the mask overnight. You apply a moderate amount and spread evenly over your face. Leave the mask on overnight and wash it off in the morning. That's interesting. Let's see what... Oh, it looks neat. You can kind of see it in there. And see, now one thing, I absolutely love the Dr. Brandt sleeping mask because you don't have to wash it off in the morning. Because I'll be honest, especially during the week trying to get up and then get Christopher up and get him ready for school, sometimes I will forget. But I do enjoy sleeping masks. So there's that. And then let's see, we have here from Echo Touch, a nail essence oil pen right there. This is $11. This nail essence oil pen will provide nutrition and moisturization to your cuticles. It's enriched with natural oils like lavender and jojoba, which work to remove dead skin cells and loosen skin and heal any broken nails. Turn the back of the essence oil pen clockwise. Evenly spread the essence over dry nails. Apply several times as needed. Let it dry naturally. So, it provides nutritional moisturization to your cuticles, but then it helps to remove dead skin cells and loose skin and heal any broken nails. That has me intrigued. I may have to give this a try. Because like right here, I mean, I get my nails done, but I don't know if you, like right there, I get little pieces of skin. You know, sometimes I'm like, oh, I wish I, you know, had this gone. So we'll see. And then we have 2, I guess, because you're supposed to do this with your BFF. Oh, this is, that's cool. Okay, so we have 2. All right, so this is from, what is this brand? ULTRU. I don't know. I'm sorry for my skin. It's peeling pad and moisture 2-step face mask, and you get 2 of them. They're $5 a piece, so this is $10 total because you get 2. One for you and one for me. You will receive a pair of these 2-step masks so you can use it yourself and with your BFF. This 2-part mask set will help you remove dead skin cells and create a smoother complexion and brighter skin tone. Use the embossed side of the peeling pad to wipe your face and then use the plain cotton side to wipe it again. Rinse off your face with lukewarm water and take out the 4 masks from the 2-step package. Place the 4 masks on the desired area that you want to target: cheek, forehead, jaw, etc. Leave them on for 5 minutes, take off the mask, and gently pat in the remaining essence until fully absorbed. Okay, so that's actually really neat. So it's not like a sheet mask. So you have the peeling pad that you start with, and then you have, I guess in here where it says step 2, the moisture mask, there's 4 individual masks, so you can put them wherever you need to. That's really neat. I like that. All right, and then it looks like we have one more product in here all nice in a bag that I'm gonna have to open. And this is Hair Cloud. They're $3 a piece, so $6. They're scrunchies. I haven't seen scrunchies in a long time. These hair scrunchies are perfect for styling your hair when you go out, but are also great to hold your hair up when you're at home when you're putting on skincare at home. We made sure you got a pair so you can use it with your best friend during your girls' night in. Oh, and so there's like a baby pink and then like a baby blue, and they're like velvet. I haven't had a actual like scrunchie in like forever, but I'm like really excited about this. So that was the Beauteque Monthly for September 2019. I will go ahead and put the total value right down here of this box. And like I said, I will put a link and pricing information down below if you would like to check out Beauteque Monthly. Let me know what you thought. I think this is really fun. I'm very excited about the quick dry hair product. Like I said, this right here, first of all, I do know and have used this brand Yada before, and it works really, really well. But I think this is going to be exactly the same thing almost as the Green Clean from Pharmacy Beauty. And then we got the 2 sets of the mask thing, the sleeping mask, the scrunchie, and then the cuticle and nail oil pen. So let me know your thoughts down below. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.